New Orleans, we have a nice Sunday coming up, and then we have more rain in the forecast for this coming work week, and that has been the trend, of course, this May so far. Right now, our temperatures are in the 60s or 70s. It's looking really nice outside, and I hope you enjoyed our pretty weather we had today. Right now, you can see middle to upper 60s north of the lake and away from the city, especially to the west. Still some lower 70s across Belle Chase, Tiburon, and the New Orleans metro area itself around the lakefront and the Kenner Airport. Here are our east winds calming down a little bit tonight. We'll say up to about 8 or 10 mile per hour winds for most spots overnight. Satellite and radar imagery quiet at this point, but there is some active weather outside of our area. Nowhere near the Gulf Coast right now. We have high pressure at the surface and an upper high pressure area that will just be shifting out and then sort of parking out here to the east through much of this week. Over way on the other side of Texas, we have a line of some strong storms, severe thunderstorm watches in effect over here, and certainly toward Texas. That will be the more active area even through this entire work week, although we have some rain chances too, which I'll show you in a second. Tonight, we'll look for North Shore lows scraping the upper 50s, South Shore lows middle 60s, clear, dry conditions tonight, and then tomorrow our highs will be about 84. Now today we hit 82, right on target as what we were forecasting. Tomorrow will be very close to maybe just a little higher than what we saw today, 84, 85 or so. Very close to average as well. A few clouds and those winds from the southeast up to about 12 or 15 miles per hour. For those of you over in Thibodaux joining us, you can expect our highs tomorrow just about the same as the New Orleans metro area and our North Shore areas too, about 84, so a little warmer. Here's your planner, though. Looks pretty good, right? For a Sunday in New Orleans, kind of like Mother's Day a week ago. We had very pleasant weather. Same thing as we move into tomorrow. Just partly cloudy skies, and tomorrow evening, we'll be looking for temperatures dropping through the 70s. Even tomorrow night, there's just a slight chance, maybe we'll say 10% for an overnight shower, but really it will be more toward Monday, probably even during the day and afternoon that we get a few scattered showers and storms starting to move in, and our rain chances for most of this week will stay near about 40%. And then right now I do have them dropping off Friday and Saturday. And here's why. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, we have a big high pressure area keeping things just dry, not letting a lot of rain over here to the east. However, there's a big trough of low pressure that's just going to kind of set up over here to our west. So what does that mean for us? We're right in the middle. So we'll say Monday to Thursday, scattered afternoon rain, a few storms. The heaviest rain this week will happen to the west of us, but with more moisture in the atmosphere beginning tomorrow night and into Monday, we'll have to watch just for a few downpours here and there. Now notice as we move to the end of the week and weekend, this high becomes the bigger deal for our area. It starts to expand and strengthen, it looks like. So that would mean drier and hotter weather moving into next weekend. And by the way, the flooding rain outlook for tomorrow, usually we're showing this and we're saying, oh, it's going to be right over New Orleans, and you have to think about that. But just to point out, tomorrow and even into early in the week, the flooding rain outlook is really outlined way to the west of us, Texas, and into other parts, almost extending toward parts of the Midwest. And you can see our rainfall forecast for the next 7 days is lining up with that. Again, the trough of low pressure, more moisture streaming in around this high, but really most of the rain focused to the west of us. In the New Orleans metro area, we'll be looking for probably a gradient over toward Baton Rouge and areas especially farther to the west. We could easily see a couple of inches or more. If you're looking out to the east, maybe joining us from Hancock County in Mississippi, or maybe even farther east along the Gulf Coast, it will be much drier over there. So we'll be somewhere in the middle with at least the fringes of some of those downpours that will happen more so out to the west of us. So this is a week where we'll just have to kind of watch each day, see how the showers and storms start to crop up. Most of the rain, I think, will be in the afternoons, it looks like right now. And again, we may get a couple of inches of rain and maybe a bit more. We'll have to see day by day what the threat would be for those pockets of heavier downpours. And again, in the Atlantic, no development expected. It's nice to see that. Sometimes very early in the year, some models try to spin up a little something here or there, but we're just not really seeing that looking like a threat for the Gulf or really anywhere near us in the next 5 days at least. Our 7-day forecast shows our temperatures hovering near average with some of that scattered rain pretty much daily in the forecast. Not for everyone, but the chance will be there in the afternoons. And then look at that hotter weekend coming up, maybe hitting 90 a week from today.
A southeast Louisiana